Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on. Yes, it's Wednesday, September the 2nd, 2020. Two Sudokus to go, a binary and a tectonic one. This one, a binary, will be number 145 3. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes in 1. We have 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then 1 2 3 3 O's, 3 ones. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 3 O's in this column. If I place the number 4 here, the 4th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then 3 ones. If I place the 4th one here in this column, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Then I need to compare, I think. 101, yes. And we compare with this second column and second row and this row. O O 1 1 O O 1 1 O O 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here. This should be an O, and this one. And we have an O here, and this should be a 1. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Need to compare again. Yeah, need to compare again. Yes, the second row and this row. O O 1 1 1 1 O O 1 1 O O empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have O here. This should be a 1. Otherwise, if I don't switch those numbers, I put here a 1 and put here an O, then we have identical rows. Identical rows or columns not allowed. One of the rules of the binary puzzle. Alright, so now we need to switch. We need to compare again, I think. We have a 10, 10, 10, 10. Yes. This one and that one. Let me mark this with a red pencil. 0011 0011 0011 empty box. So we need to switch those two numbers. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With an O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finished in 5 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great binary Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a half minute with the last Sudoku. It's a tectonic one, aka Suguru. So see you later. Bye bye.